Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to free up disk space on Windows 11. Click Start, Settings. Click Storage. Click Cleanup Recommendations. Select previous Windows installations. Select Recycle Bin. Select Large or Unused File if available. Select File Sync to the Cloud if available. Select Unused Apps if available. Click Cleanup. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.